Welcome to Introduction.py. Please enter your full name. Hello, Jonathan Suttle, and welcome to IFSM 201-7962 Concepts and Applications of Information Technology, 2188. Please enter your date of birth. Your age is 20, is this correct? I have selected the following as your hobbies: eating, gaming, researching any topics dealing with technology, and music production. Are the selected activities suitable choices as your hobbies? Excellent. Please select a nickname. User nickname selected. Low-key. Is there anything else you would like to let your fellow classmates know about you? I look forward to meeting and working with everyone and wish everyone luck throughout the duration of the class. Is this correct? Congratulations, you have successfully completed your class introduction. Good luck with your class endeavors. Introduction.py, now closing.